If Steam is giving you an HTTP error 500, that usually means the server has run into an unexpected problem while trying to process your request. In simple terms, it is often a server-side issue, but there are still a few quick things you can do on your end to fix it or rule out local problems. In this video, I'll walk you through the best step-by-step solutions, starting with the easiest ones first. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the simplest fix: restart Steam and restart your PC. A lot of temporary glitches can be cleared just by fully closing Steam and opening it again. To do that, exit Steam completely, make sure it is not still running in the system tray, and then reopen it. If the error is still there, restart your computer as well. A full reboot can refresh network connections, clear temporary memory issues, and fix small system conflicts that may be causing the error. Next, check whether Steam itself is having server issues. Since HTTP error 500 often points to a server-side problem, the issue may not be on your device at all. Open your browser and go to a Steam status site like steamstat.us to see whether Steam services are currently down or experiencing outages. If there is a widespread issue, the best solution may simply be to wait until Steam fixes it on their end. If the servers are working normally, then you know the problem is more likely related to your local app or network settings. Now let's clear the Steam download cache. This is one of the most useful fixes when Steam starts acting strangely or loading errors appear. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. From there, open the Download section and look for Clear Download Cache. Click it, confirm the action, and let Steam restart if needed. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted temporary files that may be interfering with Steam's ability to connect properly. If that does not fix it, try running Steam as an administrator. Sometimes Steam needs elevated permissions to access certain files or complete network actions correctly. Find the Steam shortcut or steam.exe file, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If this solves the issue, you may want to adjust the shortcut settings so Steam always opens with admin permissions. This can help prevent the error from coming back later. If you have gone through all of these steps and the HTTP error 500 still appears, then the problem is most likely on Steam's side or tied to a deeper network issue outside the app itself. At that point, keep checking the server status, try again later, and make sure your internet connection is stable. In many cases, this error clears up once Steam's servers recover. So to recap, restart Steam and your PC, check the Steam server status, clear the download cache, and run Steam as an administrator. These steps solve the issue for many users and only take a few minutes to try. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful Steam and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.